Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a checkout notice block in your Shopify store using some templates available with the Checkout Ninja app. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using Checkout extension Ninja app. I have downloaded this from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. I can just check it out and follow along with me. And a quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the template section. Now you can just click on View All Template and go for searching the checkout notice block. Yeah, this comes here. So click on use template. So what happens now is that all the data will be filled up by default. So you need not to add much more. So if you want to customize or if you want to edit the block name or any details, you can just go with that. And if you have any conditional visibility criterias, then you can just enable this button and add the optional condition or conditions which are giving as options here. So otherwise you can just keep it disabled. So when it disabled, the block will be available at the checkout page only when the specific condition is met. So you can just disable this, so the block will be available always at the checkout page. And you can just click on heading, and the heading label also you can give, otherwise you can just, it's not a mandatory one. And the type you can just go with h1, h2, h3, all the all six types are available. You can go with that, and you can just add the content. Like here it shows some contents added by default since we are using the templates. Spacing also you can options available here. So this heading and description spacing you can just choose as you wish. And preview, you can see that the heading block will be showing like this. Let's do done this and make sure that the status is active and go for saving it. And after saving, you will be getting some block ID from here, and just click on open checkout editor page by copying the block details, block ID from the block details. So you have to add the custom block to the checkout like this, and you have to paste the block ID which you have copied earlier to this. Now you can see that the custom block with the heading one has been created here. Now you can just drag this block to somewhere else. Let's do drag this to the order summary page like this. Yeah, this will be much more suitable place. So let's save it. Let's test this up in our online store now, whether it comes in our checkout page or not. Let's land on checkout page. Now you can see that the heading block has been created here successfully. So that's how you can create a card or the heading block for the some notes. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.